Hi, that is the Realme Narzo 60 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first hold for a while the home screen with your finger and then tap to the widgets icon. Here you will see all of the available applications which widgets you could add. For example, let's add the notes one. Or let's select the another one just to add it automatically. This calendar, for example, tap on it and now this widget automatically added to your home screen. To move here widgets on the screen, so between the screens or just on this screen, you should just hold and drag it. To resize the widget, you should hold it just for a while and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove widget icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.